Hello guys, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how to make gold paint. If this sounds like what you like, please subscribe to my channel. I'm going to be showing you 4 different alternatives for alcohol if you are someone who don't like alcohol and if your religion does not allow you to use alcohol. So we'll be using lemon, white vanilla flavor, water and oil, and I will be eliminating alcohol in this tutorial. I'm going to start by adding my gold lustre dust to my lemon juice, and in this process I'll be showing you how easy it is to actually mix it up. And I'm also going to add lustre dust to my oil. Same goes for vanilla and water. If you're enjoying this video, please don't forget to click the subscribe button. I'm going to continue by showing you the whole mixing process. Because I want to show you how to mix it, I'm also going to add the lustre dust to alcohol. So barely adding the lustre dust into alcohol, it's already mixing up on its own. So I'm going to show you how to make the other ones, starting with lemon juice. I'm actually finding it very difficult to actually mix the lemon juice because it's actually separating from the lustre dust. So I'm just going to move on to oil. Oil was so easy to mix and it was seamless and it was perfect. Water is just impossible. It was just separating. I could not do anything about it. At some point I just had to leave it. Now then I moved on to vanilla. Vanilla was quite easy to mix, but not as easy as oil. So these are my mixture, and I'm going to start by applying them to this fondant paste. I've cut out 5 fondant paste here, but I'm just going to use 4 because we are not interested in alcohol. Get it? We aren't interested in alcohol. So I'm just going to start by using the most impossible one, which is water. Water. Like it's called water, it kept separating, like it didn't work. So it's not an alternative for alcohol in any way. I don't know if you put it in spray can or airbrush machine and spray it, if it would work, but trust me, I know it wouldn't work. It would just wash off like water as it is. So it's not an alternative. So lemon juice has been the most popular alternative when people talk about not using alcohol. So I just thought I'd try lemon juice. I didn't buy any store-bought lemon juice or already squeezed lemon juice. I squeezed my lemon juice by myself. So I used real lemons. I used real lemon, and it doesn't seem to work. It's working, but it's not perfect like I thought it would. Like people make it the same. It's not as easy as people credit it. It's a waste of my time actually. It's as good as water. So now I'm just going to move on to something else, which is oil. The oil application process was actually seamless. It has a wide coverage. It's easy to actually work with, and I would suggest this any day, anytime. You might feel it's not gonna dry, but over time, if you let it sit for a while, especially in a cold environment or of some sort, it's gonna dry up and it's gonna be so beautiful. Trust me, it's worth your time. So oil, 100% for me, it's a perfect alternative for alcohol. Now I'm going to move on to my white vanilla flavor. I thought I'd use white because if I use the dark one, it will distort the gold color. So I didn't want anything distorting the color of the gold paint, so I just wanted it to be neutral. So that's why I went for the white vanilla flavor. If you don't have it, I don't know what else you can use, but I just opted for the white one. You can use any vanilla essence that's not white, and you can also tell me your result at the comment section. But it was good, but not as perfect as the oil, but better than the rest. It was better than lemon juice. It was better than water. So I can you can also use vanilla as an alternative for alcohol, but to me, oil has it. Oil does it. It's perfect. I was struggling a little bit with the vanilla, but it had more coverage than the other ones. So if I'm gonna give it to the four of them, oil is the winner, next to vanilla flavor, then next to lemon juice. Water is not even in the queue. I'm gonna try as much as possible to try this lemon juice one more time, because I just had so much hope for lemon juice. Like, people mention it so much and I just felt it was going to do magic, but I'm so disappointed. I just thought I'd add more lustre dust into the lemon juice and see if I apply it a little bit more, it would come a little bit more, it will come out very good. Did you see your camera? I just thought if I apply it a little bit more, it would come out really good. But however, oil still has it. So if you're looking for a perfect alternative for alcohol, you can use oil. Thank you guys for watching this video. Do have a lovely day. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye for now. Don't forget to subscribe.